Hey, Teves.
What's in here?
No, give her a wrapped present.
Which one?
The one's from my parents.
This one?
Yeah. Either one.
Ooh, what is this? Is this for the Teves?
Those are both for the Teves.
There you go. That's for Teves.
You gotta open it.
Get it, Teves.
Yeah. You
Get
open
it.
it.
Yay!
Yay! Good girl. What's in there?
Get it.
Get it, Teves. What's in there? Oh. What is it?
Get it.
She's not as gentle this year. What is it? Oh, yay! What is it? Come here.
Come here.
She's like, no.
Come here.
There you go. Yeah.
That helps you now.
You want to give her the other one?
Yeah, you were some out of this one.
Oh, okay. Sativa, can you say thank you to Judy? Say thank you, Pat and Judy. Aww.
Yeah.
Yay! You gotta open it.
Yay!
Yay!
Teves.
You got another present.
Ooh, this is for Teves.
You wanna open that one?
Yeah. There you go.
You gotta open it. What is it? What's in there? What's in there, Teves? Oh, did you find a new toy? Can I see? Sativa, show Mickey. Oh, that's nice. She's like, I don't even. She got a new Kong.
Oh, that's a good one. Let me see. Big bone head.
Ooh,
Fun.
that's a fun Kong.